Hello my fabulous artists. Today we are going to be creating an origami cat. So you can watch my other video, it's very short, about how to make a rectangular paper into a square if you do not have square paper. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out with our lovely square paper. I'm using some brown scrap paper that I have laying around. So what we're going to do next is we're going to fold it diagonally. Now we have a really nice triangle. What we're going to do is we're going to fold it like a book by folding it in half. And it makes a smaller triangle. Once I do that, I'm going to unfold it, so I should have a line right in the middle. What we are going to do next is you're just going to take one flap, say I just took one, and you're going to meet this point with the bottom here, using the line in the middle. So I'm just going to fold it so the point is right down like that. And then I'm going to push it back up. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to take both pieces of paper, both points, and I'm going to take this point and meet it on that line that I created from the fold. Like so. So now you have a little triangle at the top. After that, we're going to make the cat ears. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this and flip it up so the edge touches the corner of the triangle here. We're not going on top, we're touching the edge. So you're going to flip this up, touch the edge. Crease it real good. Alright. So what we're going to do next is then we're going to fold just a tiny bit on the bottom. And then when we flip it over, we have a cat. See his ears and then his face. So what you can do, what I like to do after I make an origami like this, you can go ahead and draw your lovely cat. Eyes by drawing two like pointy football shapes and then a little triangle for the eye. Little triangle or the letter V. You can draw a nice triangle nose starting with the letter V and then an upside down Y. If you want to be more creative, you can always add some whiskers. And you can add some little triangles in the ears. And there you have it. Our lovely origami cat. If you have white paper, for example, before I finish, this is a great time to, color in the cat, add more details. I hope you guys enjoyed making this origami cat with me, and I hope to see you in the next video. See ya!